Hey y'all, it's Raegan. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hit that red button down below and join the family. I post new videos 3 times a week, and so you should stick around for that. Also, follow me on my social media accounts because I post on those pretty often. If you didn't already know, my name's Raegan, and I go to the King's College in New York City, and today's video is going to be a fall haul. I love fall hauls. They are like my favorite videos ever, but my school, we do have a business casual dress code, which means I'm not allowed to wear jeans to school. I'm not allowed to actually wear a lot of things. I can wear like dress pants, dresses, skirts, blazers, all that kinds of things, and I like being able to dress like that. I think it really fits the whole theme of New York City. So as you'll be able to see, some of the pieces that I have are a little more fancy, but you can definitely dress them down. I've become a pro at being able to buy business casual stuff that I can also turn into like very casual day out stuff. So without further ado, let's get into this haul. So this is a big collective haul. I've been acquiring this stuff for the past few weeks. I have stuff from Madewell, ASOS, Nordstrom, SheIn, and H&M. I'm going to start off with Madewell because I got these pieces a few weeks, maybe even like 3 weeks ago, but I'm so excited about them, so I still wanted to share them with y'all. The first thing I got is this top right here. It is a sleeveless sweater, and the material is so soft and cozy, and it has this really pretty like tribal print, and then it has this little fringe bottom. I think it's so cute, especially paired with like a pair of black jeans and black booties. I think this will be so cute, so I can't wait to wear this. It's finally getting cold enough. So the next thing I got from Madewell, I know is not everyone's style, but it is this little neck scarf. It is so freaking cute. I sometimes wear it in my hair as like a headband, or I'll tie it around my ponytail to like make it look a little snazzy, or I'll even like tie it around my neck, and it's super cute. I just think they're so cute, and they really like snazz up any outfit. I like to wear this with black dress pants, a white flowy top, and then I just throw this on, and it just like makes outfit. The last thing I got from Madewell is the most adorable dress. If you follow me on Instagram, you've already seen me wear this. I just couldn't wait. Look how cute it is, y'all. The pattern is adorable. It doesn't have sleeves, but I did pair this with a bodysuit underneath, and it was so cute. So I definitely can still wear it for fall, but I think the colors just embody fall. It has like this black and this like salmon-y color. I love salmon. Now moving on to SheIn. I made a big order from SheIn and only ended up keeping 2 things, so I was kind of disappointed, but I've been very picky lately because if you've seen some of my vlogs, you know that my apartment is not very big here in New York, and I don't have much closet space, so I really like have to be picky about the clothes that I'm buying, and like if I really don't love it and I don't think I'm gonna wear it, then I don't keep it. So I returned a bunch of stuff, but the 2 things that I did keep I'm super excited about. The first thing is this black and white. I think this is like a houndstooth / plaid pattern, and it's this throw coat, and it's super thick and such good material. Like I really wasn't expecting this from SheIn. Like SheIn really does surprise me sometimes. I really do love SheIn, but it goes down pretty long, as you'll see in the try-on. You could definitely dress this up super casual, or also wear it super fancy, just depends. Like I would pair this with jeans and black booties and a white tee underneath or a black tee underneath and be totally fine. And the other thing I got from SheIn is this cheetah print top, and it has little buttons, but to me, animal print and like cheetah print, like I don't know if this is cheetah or like leopard print. I think it's cheetah print. This just feels like fall to me, like the neutrals. Animal print is a neutral, guys. And so this black and brown, I just think it's so cute. I'd definitely wear this with black skinny jeans. That's like my go-to black jeans in New York, and black booties, and then like one of those fuzzy coats over. I think it'd be so cute. Now from H&M, I got 2 sweaters, which I'm so excited about. I love sweater season. So the first thing I got is this black chunky, thick sweater. It's a turtleneck sweater. I have black sweaters, but I don't have ones with turtleneck. Can't wait to wear this. It's gonna be so cozy. The next sweater I got is this yellow, really chunky knit sweater. Kind of a crop, but not really. It hits like right at the belt, so it's definitely not oversized. I just love the color of it. I think it's so perfect for fall. I can't wait to wear this. Now on to ASOS. The first thing I got is a hat, and I know everyone doesn't like these hats, but they've been growing on me lately. I used to not like them either, but now I just think they're so cute. So the first thing I got is this hat. I think it's so cute. It's like one of those like baker boy like train conductor hats, and it's got a leather little bill, and then it has these gold little buttons on the side. I think it's so cute, and I wear so much black in New York that I really will get the use out of this, and it's cute just to throw on if you're like having a bad hair day or something. It just makes you look so put together, and I also think this would look so freaking cool in like Europe. So I gotta take a trip to Europe just so I can wear this hat. The next thing I got from ASOS is another neck scarf. This time it's more of like your typical bandana scarf, and it's just this paisley bandana print, and I just wear this the same way. I wear this with more like black stuff. I think it just adds a little pop with like the red. I don't know, it just makes me feel like I'm very retro-y, western. I don't know. I also feel like a ninja. Anyway, I love neck scarves, and you'll probably be seeing me wear a lot of them and buy a lot of them because I'm obsessed with them now. The next thing I got from ASOS is this black dress, and it's off the shoulder. It's super cute, and then it has these little bunched up sleeves that go out into little ruffles, and then it has a little waistband, and then it has another ruffle on the bottom. Hard to see. I know you'll see in the try on. I just think it's a fun dress, and you can never go wrong with having like multiple little black dresses. I also got some more animal print, and it is this. I think this is leopard print, and the other thing's cheetah print. So I think this is leopard print, and it's this little dress, and it almost kind of wraps, and then it buttons right here. It's really cute because the top's kind of baggy, and the bottom is less baggy, you'll see. Then it's long sleeve, and I just think it's really cute. It does have like a deep V, so I'll have to like button this. Other than that, I think it's so cute, and like I said, I just love animal print for the fall. From ASOS, I also got this denim dress, and the best thing is that it has pockets. It's so cute. It just buttons all the way down the front, and I think it's very casual, but like I wore it to school yesterday, and I wore it with like black tights and a little neck scarf, the yellow one that I got from Madewell, and it was super cute, and it's just like so comfy. I just love denim. Denim's like a big thing in New York, and so this is kind of like very, I feel like country chic, but like I pair it to where it brings it like to the city. I don't know, I think it's so cute. I think it really embodies like me as like a southern girl in the city. Is that cringy? It's kind of cringy. The last thing I got from ASOS is this black denim jacket. I have been wanting a black denim jacket for so long. This is an oversized one. I went up like 2 sizes because I did want it to be oversized. It is a little too structured for me right now, but I think the more I wear it, it'll kind of wear in. You know, denim kind of does that. But yeah, I'm super excited about it. I've been wearing it a lot. I think it goes with so many things, especially because I wear so much black here in New York. The next few things I got are from Princess Polly. This is honestly one of like my first times ordering from Princess Polly, but I know that people love Princess Polly, so I thought I would give it a shot. The first thing I got from Princess Polly is a pair of socks, and they are these cute little white socks, and they have these little ruffles, if you can see, at the top. These are so cute when you pair them with booties, and just like this little part sticks up above the booty. Madewell sells some too, but Madewell didn't have any plain white ones, so when I saw these on Princess Polly, I picked them up. The next thing I got is more animal print, and it is this super cute little, I think this is leopard print skirt, and it has this little layer of like a ruffle around the bottom of it. It comes up high-waisted, and it's not too short. I hate when skirts are too short. I would just wear this with black tights, a black bodysuit, and then jacket over it, or even some knee-high boots, because you can always get away with knee-high boots in the winter and like not wear tights and stuff like that when you're wearing a dress or a skirt. But again, animal print is a neutral, and I just feel like animal print is fall. So then from Princess Polly, I got a sweater. I got this black and white chunky sweater. Again, it's kind of cropped. I feel like that's the new style for sweaters this year, because all the sweaters I've been seeing are kind of like that. They're not like too cropped, but they like are big around your body and then like your waist, and they go in at the bottom and like hit you at your hips, which I kind of like. Sometimes oversized sweaters can make you look too frumpy. This is like a turtleneck, but again, it's like a mock turtleneck. It's not like a full turtleneck, and I don't really have a sweater like this at all. I don't have a striped sweater, and I can't wait to pair it with just like black denim jeans. You know the deal. The last thing I got from Princess Polly is actually from IMGA, and it is this jacket. It is so cute. It's this black oversized jacket, and it's kind of got this like quilted material, and it's super soft, but it's kind of like reflective, if you can see. It's the same brand, you know, IMGA makes the teddy bear coats, those big oversized brown ones. I wear so much more black than I wear brown, so getting this jacket made much more sense. And I don't love the fuzzy jacket. Sometimes I feel like a bear. This one's like a little more sleek because it isn't fuzzy, and it's kind of like metallic, so it looks like really fancy. The next store that I shopped at is Keds. Weird, I know. I've been wanting some good white sneakers. I have Converse, but they're just not always what I'm wanting, and they always have that like red stripe. I just want some plain white like sneakers, but I wanted them platform, but I wasn't sure how I would feel about platforms being on me, so I just bought a pair of Keds because super simple and super affordable. So I got these, and they are so cute. I absolutely love them. They rubbed a super bad blister on the back of my heel, and I'm still recovering from it, so I can't wear them yet, but people love Keds, so I'm pretty sure like I just have to wear them in, that they're still kind of like stiff. But other than that, I think they're so cute and sleek. I love the platform. They were legit only like $50. I just hope that I can wear them in and that they will stop rubbing me like a mother trucker. And the last store I shopped at was Nordstrom. I got a pair of shoes, a bag, and a piece of clothing. So let's start off with the shoes first. It's from the brand OUO. Don't really know what that means. They are just a pair of black heels with a chunky heel. I love chunky heels. They're so much easier to walk in. They have a little rounded toe, which I think is very cute and makes it kind of casual, less dressy, as like a pointy toe. But they are so comfortable walking. I'm so surprised. Like, the sole is so cushioned, and then this, like, around it is super soft. It doesn't rub into you, and the material is suede. So it's just a lot softer as opposed to, like, patent leather that's really hard. The piece of clothing that I got from Nordstrom is a blazer. I love blazers. I love them for school. I love them just casual. I think blazers are so cool, and they just make you look so sophisticated and feminine and chic, especially when you pair it with like jeans and like a tee underneath and like make it super casual, but yet you're wearing a blazer, so you just feel like a boss. I don't know. This one is adorable. I'm so excited. This is probably my favorite blazer at the moment, and I just got it in the mail yesterday. It is this black and white blazer, and it has these little rolled sleeves, and it has this little touch of yellow, which I think is so cute. It's originally from Topshop, but it was like on Nordstrom's website. The material is super soft, and it's not stiff at all. You know how some blazers are like super stiff? This one's definitely more of a casual blazer, but when you're wearing it, you can't even tell that it's that kind of material. It looks so sophisticated and put together. I love it. I can't wait to pair it with a white tee and jeans and booties. OMG. This is going to be my go-to outfit, especially with my black Gucci belt. Yes. And now for probably my most favorite purchase that I've made this entire haul, and it's from Nordstrom, and it is a bag. I got this tote bag. And yes, I know it looks like it's black, but what you don't know is that it actually reverses inside outward, and it can be a brown tote. Here, let me show you. I'll be right back. And here it is, brown. You can't even tell a difference. I freaking love this. I have been so torn for the past few months on what kind of tote bag I want and how big I want it, if I want a brown or a black leather one. And then I found one that's both. This thing was only $50, and it is such good quality. It's the perfect size, and it's reversible, and it comes with this cute little pocket on the inside. Like, it just is amazing. I'm so excited. I used it today as like my backpack because I only had to carry one book to class. I am obsessed, y'all. Like, I just can't believe someone was so smart to think of making a reversible one. So now I have a black one or a brown one, whichever one I want. So yeah, that's my favorite purchase out of the whole entire haul. And that is the end of the haul. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give this video a thumbs up because I will definitely do more for you guys. I love hauls. So if I know you love hauls too, that just gives me a reason to shop. But make sure you subscribe before you go, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!